Hello guys, this is Karan here. Welcome to Tech Karan YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can install a custom kernel on your device. I'm using Redmi Note 8 and I will show you that how you can install Inception kernel on your Redmi Note 8. I will show you that how you can install and how to customize your kernel, everything in this video. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Let's get quickly straight to the video. Okay, so how to install a custom kernel? Basically you need a zip file, you need custom kernel obviously. So wait, let me show you. This one is the kernel which I have just downloaded, Inception v3.zip. This is the latest kernel, latest build by Nikish. He is the developer of this kernel and I have tried this kernel and I am very happy with the performance, etc. So I thought I should make a review on installation of this kernel. So as you can see, it is downloaded now. What you have to do is you simply have to boot into custom recovery. It's better you should use TWRP official custom recovery, but if you are using any other recovery, that is not a big case. Just boot into custom recovery. If you are using any other device, then choose according to your own device which recovery you are using. I'm using TWRP, so boot into TWRP. I'm using TWRP in Redmi Note 8. I'm using Redmi Note 8, so I am installing a custom kernel in my Redmi Note 8. As you can see, data is successfully decrypted. What we have to do is, firstly, we have to make sure there could be no issue, so it's better to take a proper backup. So simply make a backup of your boot image. Don't select anything, simply select boot image, swipe to backup, and as you can see, it is taking backup. It could be around 64 MB. Backup completed in 3 seconds. It is done. Just go back, go to install, and here select Inception v3, swipe to confirm flash. It will take some time, so let us wait. And installing images detected, etc. I'm using in Android 10 base. I'm using extended UI custom ROM which is based on Android 10. You can use this, you can install this kernel on any other ROM also which is based on Android 10. This kernel is for only Android 10 based ROMs, and also make sure if you are flashing this kernel Inception, then this kernel is only for Redmi Note 8 and Redmi Note 8T, no other phones. Okay, so after, as you can see, installed, simply reboot system. Your device will be booted soon. This kernel is only for Redmi Note 8 and Redmi Note 8T, but how you can install a custom kernel, the process was very simple. You can follow these steps to install a custom kernel on your device also, but make sure the custom kernel would be different from this one. Custom kernel will be according to your device or your device developer. As you can see, we are booted successfully on our device as we have installed Inception kernel on our device. How you can check if it is installed or not? Simply head on to settings, about phone. In Android version, you will see your kernel version, and this one is 4.14.174 Inception v3 #12, and this again it's the date and etc other information. So you can see this is installed, Inception v3 is installed. I'm using extended UI based on Android 10. This is how you can install a custom kernel. How you can customize a custom kernel on your device? It's better to choose a kernel manager app. Kernel Audiator is available, EX kernel manager, FK kernel manager, all are available. You can choose this one also, Smart Pack. It also uses root permission, so it's better you have rooted. So as you can see, I have granted the root permission to this app, and it will show you some stats, etc. You can customize your device from here, like you can customize your CPU from here. You can overclock your device, you can underclock your device, whichever you like. If you have knowledge what you are doing, it's better, then you can do, and then you can customize your device like a pro. Then you can increase your device battery backup, you can increase your device performance, etc. A lot of things are there which you can do, and you can customize your device. So in this video, I just wanted to show you that how you can install a custom kernel, how you can install Inception kernel. So this was all from today's video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. See you in the next video very soon.